Mr. Brown's Precepts from the book Wonder. September. When given the choice between being right or being kind, choose kind. Dr. Wayne W. Dyer. October. Your deeds are your monuments. Inscriptions on an Egyptian tomb. November. Have no friends not equal to yourself. Confucius. December. Fortune favors the bold. Virgil. January. No man is an island entirely of itself. John Donne. February. It is better to know some of the questions than all of the answers. James Thurber. March. Kind words do not cost much, yet they accomplish much. Blaise Pascal. April. What is beautiful is good, and who is good will soon be beautiful. Sappho. May. Do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as you can. John Wesley's Rule. June. Just follow the day and reach for the sun. The Polyphic Spree, Light and Day. Postcard Precepts. Charlotte Cody's Precept. It's not enough to be friendly. You have to be a friend. Read Kingsley's Precept. Save the ocean, save the world. Me. Tristan Feidelholzen's Precept. If you really want something in this life, you have to work for it. Now quiet, they're about to announce the lottery numbers. Homer Simpson. Savannah Wittenberg's Precept. Flowers are great, but love is better. Justin Bieber. Henry Joplin's Precept. Don't be friends with jerks. Henry Joplin. Maya Markowitz's Precept. All you need is love. The Beatles. Amos Conti's Precept. Don't try too hard to be cool. It always shows, and that's uncool. Amos Conti. Zima Chin's Precept. To thine themselves be true. Hamlet. Shakespeare. Julian Albin's Precept. Sometimes it's good to start over. Julian Albans. Summer Dawson's Precept. If you can get through middle school without hurting anyone's feelings, that's really cool beans. Summer Dawson. Jack Will's Precept. Keep calm and carry on. Some saying from World War II. August Pullman's Precept. Everyone in the world should get a standing ovation at least once in their life, because we all overcometh the world. Augie.